Hey everybody, Travels with Dottie, and as promised, going on a little trip to, what's the name of the restaurant?
Sundance Mexican.
Sundance Mexican, with who you've already met on one of the videos, Charlie and Diane, my neighbors, and it was their idea. I'm riding with them, and we're gonna see what this is all about. It's kind of a little bit rainy, but typical rain for this time of year in this area, kind of a light sprinkle. And we're headed towards the Red River, and I guess what, about 20 minutes or so? Okay.
That's 18 miles.
And there, oh, let's get used to this gimbal. There they are. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
Hi.
All right, we will I'll definitely show you the outside of the restaurant, but when we go in, I gotta add, I'll ask for permission to film inside, but I won't, like I do in restaurants, I don't film for very long. I film the inside, and I'll show you the food we get, and that's pretty much it. We'll see you in a little while. So we have arrived to Red River, and here's the Sundance restaurant. Still, we got a good parking space. We're still sprinkling a little bit. We're in, not on the main drag here in Red River. Kind of one street over, I think. And this is reservation only, right? And we're going to pause this. So the popularity of this place is immediately evident when you come in. It's a large restaurant, but we were just listening. There were some people that didn't have reservations, and it's 5 o'clock, and they said, I think we can get you in at 7:15. So if you want to eat here, you have to call the day before and get your reservation in. So it speaks volumes about the potential for the food here. All right, guys, here is the menu, and you can freeze the screen if you so desire. And here's the second side. And I tell you what I decided on pretty quickly is the chalupa soft flour tortilla topped with turkey, beans, cheese, also lettuce, tomato, guacamole, and sour cream. And this basket, these are pretty good. These chips.
Very good. Very good.
I know you can hear that crunch because I see the sound bar jumping all over the screen.
The sauce is really good too.
Hello, folks. How are you tonight? Good.
So what do we have there, Diane?
Grilled chicken, baked potato, cheese, sour
Oh, hang
cream,
on. Let's
butter.
do that again.
Oh,
With them, because it's noisy in here. What do we have here?
this is grilled chicken, baked potato, shredded cheese,
Oh, okay.
sour cream, and butter.
And oh, look at that! What do we have here?
This
That
is-
looks something.
It's called a super burrito. It comes with rice and guacamole and lettuce and tomatoes, and has beans and onions and some taco meat in the inside. It's really good. Cheese on top.
And then finally, for me, is the shrimp quesadilla. And you can tell we really did not like the chips very much at all. Well, I'll let you know at the end what the verdict is, but by the smell, I can already tell you. I bet you can guess. Well, we are headed out, and it was delicious. It was every bit as good as you would expect.
Good night, guys. Thank you.
Good night.
Yes, you got it.
I got it. I was telling them I'm notorious for leaving my to-go box on the table. I do it all the time, but I got it this time. Thank you. The rain stopped. It's nice and cool. And we're going to go by a grocery store. What's the name of the grocery store?
Durr Market.
Durr Market. We'll see what that's all about. We'll be back at the market in just a minute. So here, we'll show you the drive through the mean streets of Red River here to the, you get to the grocery store.
I think the grocery store's on down. So we'd be on the right side.
I've never been on this street before, so what do we have here? We have Williams Outdoor Store and Hardware. That looks like an interesting place. Bait, worms, hats. Business for sale for a cool $975,000. That's true, I didn't make that up. This looks like maybe the fire department up here.
We can go down another block.
And my favorite thing, my favorite fire department in New Mexico is Angel Fire. Even their shirts say Angel Fire. I saw one today in the grocery store. And there's no other way to say that. Angel Fire Department. You know, if they called the town Angel Police, it would be Angel Police.
Yeah. You think we're far enough down for the grocery store
Probably.
here? I don't think
I
so.
think so.
Huh?
I don't know.
I guess it doesn't matter. We'll check it out. I just thought I could swing out and be on the right side of the road going back the other way.
Is it on the other side?
Yeah, it's on that side of the road. I believe it's down this way, don't you think?
I think it still is.
Yeah, it is.
I noticed this building the other day, the Bliss West condominium. Well, I bet the condominiums are not cheap. I bet they're pricey.
I would guess probably so.
Now, I know you all saw this road just in 2 videos ago,
Oh, there it is right there.
but we're getting a little bit better view. At least I'm getting a better view because I'm not driving. I don't have to pay attention to the road. I see the Durr Market over there.
Oh, I guess they're just dodging the water. Not they were wanting to cross the street.
I think you can go down around here.
I'm not sure if we can.
I think I see the entrance over there to the
Okay.
left, I think.
All right. There's a little bit of construction going on there, don't they?
So there are a lot of what they call side-by-sides in this neighborhood. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them parked here at the market.
Okay, thank you.
All right. And here is the Durr Market. It looks sizable. It's not tiny. Just whiz right quick through here. 'Cause I don't want to hold up my friends. But this is nice. Very nice. So the Durham Market in Red River, New Mexico. Looks like they do some cooking here during the day. Little produce section.
Doesn't look like it.
Nice little grocery store. Well, that's going to be it for today's video. I appreciate you watching as always, and I especially appreciate my friends Diane and Charlie for buying me dinner tonight. That was really nice of them. They wouldn't take no for an answer. It was a wonderful meal. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.